Brands curated by I Love Skin. Today we'll talk to you about Dr. Ceuracle, previously known as Liji Hum. Dr. Ceuracle, the name is a coinage between the words cosmeceutical and miracle. Dr. Ceuracle has bin created by Korea's first dermatology and beauty clinic and mainly by doctors Liji and Hum. Dr. Ceuracle skincare line has been developed with close collaboration with dermatologists and ingredients developed through careful clinical research. The Liji Hum Dermatology Research Center has been established in 2001 and since then they have been credited with a lot of different patents and their research in skincare and specialized dermatology is renowned in the region. I Love Skin is proud to present to you and to collaborate with Liji Hum and bring Dr. Ceuracle to our Indian customers. Presenting to you Dr. Ceuracle.